Struggling to keep viewers hooked from the very first second of your YouTube videos? It's a common challenge, but we're here to help you transform your content and capture attention right from the start. In today's crowded digital landscape, simply uploading a video isn't enough. New creators grapple with standing out, but with proven techniques, you can elevate your content and truly resonate. The secret to captivating any audience often lies in the timeless power of storytelling. Just like your favorite movies or books, a compelling narrative creates an immediate connection and draws people in. Instead of listing product specs, tell a vivid story about how it dramatically improved someone's daily routine, solving a frustrating problem. This creates an emotional connection, making content impactful. By weaving a narrative, your content becomes inherently more relatable and memorable. Viewers aren't just watching, they're invested, drawing them deeper into your message and encouraging them to stay engaged. Beyond compelling narratives, dynamic visuals are crucial for maintaining viewer engagement throughout your video. Static, unchanging shots quickly lead to boredom, causing your audience to click away. To combat visual fatigue, incorporate a variety of shots, diverse angles, and purposeful camera movements. Leverage stock footage to illustrate concepts, or integrate professional graphics for key statistics. For instance, if discussing channel growth or a rising trend, visually demonstrate it with an animated graph showcasing a clear upward trajectory. A captivating time-lapse can also powerfully convey progress. These deliberate visual changes are essential for keeping your viewers' eyes stimulated and minds actively engaged. This dynamic approach prevents monotony, enhances comprehension, and ensures your audience remains captivated. Finally, after delivering valuable content, an effective call to action is vital. Your video shouldn't just abruptly end. It needs to seamlessly guide your viewers on precisely what step you'd like them to take next, maximizing their interaction. Whether you want them to subscribe for more content, hit the like button, leave a comment, or visit a specific link, make your request crystal clear and incredibly concise. A well-crafted and strategically placed call to action can dramatically boost your channel's growth metrics, from subscriber counts to engagement rates. It actively fosters a vibrant, interactive community. To quickly recap, always start with a compelling hook, master the art of weaving engaging stories, consistently utilize dynamic visuals, and never forget to include a clear, actionable call to action. By diligently implementing these powerful strategies, you'll not only attract more viewers, but more importantly, cultivate a loyal, deeply engaged, and growing audience for your YouTube channel. So, keep creating with passion, keep experimenting with new ideas, and watch your channel not just grow, but truly flourish into something amazing. You absolutely have what it takes to succeed. In the next video, we will touch on YouTube growth.